Hello everyone, welcome to Legal Sarthi. In the previous lecture, we discussed in detail about culpable homicide, section 299. The provision for culpable homicide which is provided in that section, we discussed that it is the culpable homicide which does not amount to murder. Culpable homicide not amounting to murder. And the culpable homicide amounting to murder is provided under section 300 of Indian Penal Code. Even though the heading of the section only states the term murder, but section 300 of Indian Penal Code talks about the culpable homicides that amount to murder. So please keep your bare acts with you. Let us begin with the bare language of the section. We are going to discuss this in detail, word by word. So let us start. Section 300, murder. Except in the cases hereinafter accepted. Now, what is the meaning of this very first line, except in the cases hereinafter accepted? अब जो सेक्शन नंबर 300 है इंडियन पीनल कोड का, it provides 5 exceptions. You can see in your bare act that section number 300 of Indian Penal Code talks about 5 exceptions. Exception number 1, exception number 2, exception number 3, 4, and exception number 5. 5 exceptions are provided under section number 300 of Indian Penal Code. So the very first line, except in the cases, which cases? The cases provided in these 5 exceptions. वो cases जो इन 5 exceptions में provided हैं, उनको छोड़ के, hereinafter means इस सेक्शन में बाद में, hereinafter इस सेक्शन 300 में बाद में जो 5 केसेस प्रोवाइडेड हैं, जो एक्सेप्शंस प्रोवाइडेड हैं, उनको छोड़ के कल्पेबल होमिसाइड इज मर्डर. मतलब ये इन 5 एक्सेप्शंस को छोड़ के कल्पेबल होमिसाइड इज मर्डर. इस कॉमा तक हम पहले डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. इसका मीनिंग वैसे तो क्लियर हो गया होगा, बट टू पुट इट मोर इलेबोरेटली, सेक्शन 300 प्रोवाइड्स फॉर द केसेस when culpable homicide is murder. Culpable homicide का offense murder कब होगा? Those cases are provided in section number 300. But first line, this first line, it states कि culpable homicide murder होगा उन 5 cases को छोड़ के, उन exceptions को छोड़ के जो इस section में provided हैं. Now what does this imply? इससे हमें क्या समझ आता है? that in those 5 exceptions, in these 5 exceptions जो ये section में provided हैं, in those circumstances, if the death is caused, the culpable homicide will not amount to murder. मतलब ये कि 5 exceptions में murder का offense नहीं create होगा, जो offense create होगा वो culpable homicide not amounting to murder होगा. It will be punishable as culpable homicide under 304 section and not as murder under 302 section. तो अब हम आगे चलते हैं. Culpable homicide is murder if, the term if, this is very important here. Now when does the offense of culpable homicide goes to become murder? अब ये if इस चीज को signify करता है that the section provides with certain contingencies or certain conditions which if fulfilled, the offense will no longer be culpable homicide alone, it will rather be culpable homicide amounting to murder. देखिए, culpable homicide is also a killing of a human being. Murder is also killing of a human being. पर दोनों वर्ड्स में, दोनों टर्म्स में जो लॉ के बैकग्राउंड में इफ वी इवेल्युएट दैम, द डिफरेंस दैट कम्स इन बोथ द टर्म्स इज दैट ऑफ डिग्री, वेयर द degree or probability of death is lighter, the offense falls under the category of culpable homicide, which warrants a lesser punishment in comparison to murder. But if the degree or probability of death is more, the mens rea, the mental element here is severe. What we need to understand is the knowledge, the intention, the mens rea, the mental element which is involved in the crime, it is stronger in case of murder. The degree or probability of death is higher in the case of murder. This is the difference between both the offenses. We will discuss the difference later elaborately or in detail, but here, just for the purpose of understanding this section, we should know that one culpable homicide is that which does not amount to murder. Means one culpable homicide is that which is not murder. One culpable homicide is that which does not amount to murder or which is not murder. And other culpable homicide is that which is murder. One culpable homicide is not murder. We discussed about this in section number 299. And other culpable homicide is murder. We are going to discuss about this in this section 300. Now in this category, culpable homicide not amounting to murder, in addition to section 299, what also falls? These 5 exceptions. Okay, so when we are talking about culpable homicide, not amounting to murder, culpable homicide which is not murder, we are talking about section number 299 of Indian Penal Code and also the 5 exceptions of section number 300 of Indian Penal Code. Okay. These exceptions are provided in section number 300 of Indian Penal Code. So what we have discussed so far we have understood that one culpable homicide is that culpable homicide which does not amount to murder, and another culpable homicide is that culpable homicide which amounts to murder. Culpable homicide which is not murder comes under section 299 of Indian Penal Code plus 5 exceptions of section number 300 of Indian Penal Code. Here, the person will be punished under section number 304 of IPC for culpable homicide not amounting to murder. But culpable homicide is murder if the case falls within the ambit of section number 300. If some conditions are fulfilled, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If these 4 conditions, 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 conditions are fulfilled, then the offense of culpable homicide will amount to murder. And it is provided in section number 300. Now let us begin further. Let us go further. Except in cases hereinafter accepted, exceptions को छोड़ के, culpable homicide is murder अगर if the act by which the death is caused, we discussed it earlier also, that for the offense of homicide to complete, there must be a relation between the act and the death. कि जो एक्ट एक्यूज ने किया उसी से डेथ कॉज हुई. It has to be like that. Except in the cases hereinafter accepted, culpable homicide is murder. अगर the act by which the death is caused is done, culpable homicide murder है अगर वो एक्ट जिससे डेथ कॉज हुई किया गया है कैसे? with the intention of causing death. Very important. And the first clause of section 300. अगर वो एक्ट जिससे डेथ कॉज हुई अगर वो एक्ट किया गया था विद इंटेंशन ऑफ कॉजिंग डेथ, देन वो जो होमिसाइड है इट इज गोइंग टू फॉल इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ मर्डर. अगर जिस एक्ट से डेथ हुई वो एक्ट किया गया था विद इंटेंशन ऑफ कॉजिंग डेथ, देन जो एक्ट है इट इज गोइंग टू फॉल इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ मर्डर. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. अब सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज कि ये जो वर्ड है विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ कॉजिंग डेथ, सॉरी ये जो वर्ड है विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ कॉजिंग डेथ, it was also present in section number 299. 219. When we discussed section 299, there also, when we discussed section 299, there also we read whoever causes death by doing an act with the intention of causing death. Whoever causes death by doing an act, very first line, whoever causes death by doing an act with the intention of causing death. अब ये जो फ्रेज है विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ कॉजिंग डेथ, ये दोनों जगह प्रेजेंट है. इट इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन सेक्शन 299 एंड इट इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन सेक्शन नंबर 300. तो हम इसे किस कैटेगरी में रखेंगे? व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू प्रिज्यूम कि अगर पर्सन की इंटेंशन थी डेथ कॉज करने की, एक्यूज्ड की इंटेंशन थी किसी की डेथ कॉज करने की और वो डेथ हो गई, नाउ इज दिस द एक्ट which will fall under section 299 or it is going to fall under section 300. अब यहाँ पे जो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज हमने समझनी है वो ये that whenever accused has the intention to cause death, जब भी कभी एक्यूज की इंटेंशन सीधा डायरेक्ट इंटेंशन उसकी है टू कॉज डेथ, द एक्ट विल ऑलवेज ऑलवेज कम अंडर सेक्शन 300 ऑफ इंडियन पीनल कोड. नाउ व्हाई सो? अगर इसे 300 में ही पुट करना था देन व्हाई इज दिस थिंग ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड इन सेक्शन 299? नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड हियर. होमिसाइड. What is homicide? Homicide, as we discussed before, is killing of a human being by another human being. और हमने डिस्कस किया कि वो होमिसाइड जो अनलॉफुल है, it is the homicide which falls in the category of culpable homicide. There is also a part of culpable. Let us understand this better. ये जो पूरा सर्कल है ये डिनोट करता है होमिसाइड को. अंडर आईपीसी द होमिसाइड जो पनिशेबल है विच इज कल्पेबल, इट इज दिस सर्कल. राइट. is this circle. So the bigger circle denotes all the homicides. इस homicides में जो unlawful या culpable homicides हैं, they are being represented by this circle. And culpable homicide में भी जो culpable homicide amounting to murder है, it is this circle. ठीक है? So what I want to explain here is that जो ये murder है, it is also a part of culpable homicide. It is not different from culpable homicide. Instead, it is also a part of culpable homicide. That is why it is said that culpable homicide is genus and murder is the species. ठीक है? Like for example, जो हम human race हैं, अगर हम human race को consider करें, तो जो Africans हैं, वो भी human race है, Indians भी human race है, Chinese people are also a part of human race. तो ये सब human race की अलग अलग species हैं. Human race ये जनरल टर्म है, genus, and बीच में जो डिफरेंट है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अफ्रीकन्स, दे आर अ डिफरेंट स्पीशी ऑफ ह्यूमन रेस. इंडियंस, दे आर डिफरेंट स्पीशी ऑफ ह्यूमन रेस. चाइनीज पीपल, डिफरेंट स्पीशी ऑफ ह्यूमन रेस. अमेरिकन्स, डिफरेंट स्पीशी ऑफ ह्यूमन रेस. ओके, अब ये जो लोग हैं, इनके जो फिजिकल फीचर्स हैं या जो इनकी अपीयरेंस है वो डिफरेंट है. इंडियंस, हम लोगों की जो फिजिकल अपीयरेंस है इट इज़ डिफरेंट. चाइनीज पीपल, दे लुक डिफरेंट, दे हैव देयर ओन फीचर्स, देयर ओन अपीयरेंस, एंड सो डू अमेरिकन्स. ओके, so what I want to teach here is that homicide is the biggest genus. Inside it falls the homicide which is unlawful or which is culpable in nature. So this is the culpable homicide. And इस culpable homicide के बीच में murder, it is also a culpable homicide. It is also a species of culpable homicide. Okay, I hope it is clear. Therefore, जिस phrase को explain करने के लिए we are studying this, it is this phrase, with the intention of causing death. With the intention of causing death. So whenever a death is caused by some act and that act was done with the intention of causing death, it will always be murder. तो इसे 299 में क्यों प्रोवाइड किया गया है? तो क्या ये वहां पे गलती से लिखा गया है? नो, इट इज नॉट बाय मिस्टेक. इसे 299 में इसलिए प्रोवाइड किया गया है बिकॉज डेथ इज कॉज्ड बाय एक्ट मीन्स अ ह्यूमन बीइंग इज किल्ड. It is also a culpable homicide, but inside that culpable homicide, it forms the part of the species murder with the intention of causing death. अब जो intention है, it is something which is very personal or which is very subjective to the accused. Like for example, if a person is killing another human being, obviously he is not going to tell कि हाँ भी I am hitting this person because I have intention to cause his death. Is this the case? So, this term intention, it is a very subjective term. It will always depend upon facts of the case. It will always depend upon fact of the case. The judges, they have to infer intention from the facts and circumstances of the case. Like for example, a person was sleeping in his house and 3 robbers enter the house. Now what they do is, they when they enter the house, they also have deadly weapons with them, like for example gun, knives, swords. Okay, तो अब जब वो deadly weapons लेके किसी के घर में एंटर हुए हैं रात को रॉबरी करने की इंटेंशन से, इस केस के फैक्ट्स क्या हैं, अभी तक के फैक्ट्स क्या हैं, दैट दे हैव एंटर्ड द हाउस आर्म्ड विद डेडली वेपन्स। तो इससे क्या हमें उनकी इंटेंशन क्लियर नहीं हो रही? व्हाट इंटेंशन डू दे हैव? Obviously, when they have come armed with the deadly weapon, it means that they have come with the intention to cause a death or to cause an injury to any person who stops them, or any person who comes in their way, or any person who tries to stop them from the escape. और क्या रीजन हो सकता है किसी भी रॉबर का आपके घर में या किसी के घर में वेपन लेके एंटर होने? यही रीजन हो सकता है दैट इन केस somebody wakes up, yeah, in case somebody tries to stop them, so they have that weapon with them, they have that weapon handy with them. So in case if this contingency arises, they can use the weapon and cause death or injury of the person. ठीक है? So now imagine that robber came armed with a deadly weapon, and that deadly weapon was a gun. So the person in whose house they entered, he woke up and he tried to stop the robber. Now what robber did? He shot that person point blank, or he shot that person in his head. अब यहाँ पे the facts and circumstances of the case clearly shows that his intention was to cause the death of the person who was trying to stop him, or who was trying to stop his escape or prevent his escape. अगर हम किसी को सीधा ही उसके सिर में गोली से हिट कर रहे हैं या गोली मार रहे हैं, that clearly shows the intention to cause death. So why I am giving this example of shooting somebody in the head? So that you people can understand that intention can be inferred from the facts and circumstances of the case. So whenever any act is done with the intention of causing death, it will always fall in the category of murder. बिकॉज जहाँ पे इंटेंशन ही थी डेथ कॉज करने की, ऑब्वियसली वहाँ पे प्रोबेबिलिटी भी ज़्यादा है कि डेथ कॉज हो जाएगी. अगर कोई एक्ट किया ही इस इंटेंशन से गया है कि डेथ कॉज हो जाए, तो इट इज़ वेरी नेचुरल कि वहाँ पे डेथ कॉज होने के चांसेस, प्रोबेबिलिटी, लाइकलीहुड और डिग्री, इट इज़ मोर. ठीक है ना? तो अगर कोई एक पर्सन किसी को शूट कर रहा है और एक ही इंटेंशन है कि उस पर्सन की डेथ हो जाए, तो इट इज़ वेरी प्रोबेबल और इट इज़ वेरी लाइकली कि दूसरे पर्सन की डेथ हो जाएगी. ठीक है? तो वेन एवर एनी एक्ट इज डन विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ कॉजिंग डेथ, इट बिकम्स अ